Here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a TikTok floating button just like this one right here that directs to the follow options for your TikTok account in a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use international sites' favor. So let's get this started. First thing, it's go to your WordPress dashboard, okay? Review this left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins. And while that, you're gonna click into add new plugin button, the submenu. Into the upper right corner of my screen, you're gonna be able to see a keyword field. And next, search for plugins text. We're gonna click into this text and type floating TikTok button, just like this. Scroll it down just a little bit and this is the guide we're looking for by Pegup, okay? Floating TikTok button, TikTok follow button plus tick code, QR code for TikTok followers. Click on install now. Now click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins welcome page, okay? You can allow and continue or skip. This is up to you, okay? Now we're gonna be redirected to the plugin page, okay? The page of the settings of the plugin, the page where you can set up the plugin. Let's start with simple things. The most important part. Scroll down into the step 1, display options, floating TikTok button, tick code, TikTok code, or disable, okay? This is up to you, okay? We're gonna focus into the floating TikTok button to keep everything for free. And the most important part is right here, TikTok username, okay? What is your TikTok username? In the case of ours, it's Visual Modo. So if you go to tiktok.com/Visual Modo, you're gonna be able to see your profile. So enter with only the username, okay? Now, display on pages or posts. Display on desktop, on mobile. Desktop only. We're gonna display on desktop and mobile, okay? Now I'm gonna scroll down just a little bit and hit the save changes green button. This gonna gives me the results you can see into this screen right here. Into the bottom right corner of my screen there is a TikTok floating button that directs to my profile. But we can customize it, okay? Let's keep scrolling down. Step 2, choose button style. There is a couple of button styles that you can choose. I think that my favorite one is this one right here. Now we can change the button text. In the case that you are into the Pro version, as far as I know, it's not possible to edit into the free version. We can move the button for left, for example, for top or for top right. Let's keep into the button left. We can apply some margins in the case that we want, top, right, bottom and left. And we can remove settings. Save change and let's review the results we got. And here is our floating button, our TikTok floating button. Simple, easy and very effective and actually works great for free, okay? And it is. There is an FAQ settings right here that you can explore and know more about the plugin. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with our Sites.gallery, a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your page, your game, your landing page, any kind of design you have. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!